This automation will generate articles for you on autopilot that are paired with SEO, keywords, and HTML, or output into HTML, so you can upload these straight to whatever platform that you advertise a product on or create articles for, and generate endless amounts of social media content for your product or business. So this automation was made for someone who was running a e-commerce store in the fitness niche, and I'll quickly run through what we're doing here. So all we're going to need is Perplexity, Airtable with the ability to run scripts, along with ChatGPT and any other, as you can see here, Shopify, Medium, Joomla, whatever you upload articles on, and whatever social media platform that you upload your social media content to. So this automation starts off in Airtable, and what we're doing is this entire control panel is running off our status column. So for example, if we set it to generate image, to post the article, and we set it and we click run, it will automatically generate the output for us. So for example, here we want to upload, or we want to get the keywords for an article. You can literally type anything into here. So we want an article to generate something like this. What you have to do is set it to start generating. Okay, now it's working. I don't know what we must have deleted a category previously and then forgot to put it on the output. So all we're doing here is based on the article that we have here, 7 high paying freelance permanent work from home. This is just generating keywords for us using Perplexity, summarizing facts and figures, and then generating 20 long tail keywords, and then posting it into the corresponding rows that have the name. So here we have keywords for the article generated, and it's now updated our status to keywords generated, meaning that the task has been completed. And now we want to set it to actually generate the sections of the article, and now we just click run. And now it will go down this router, generate the blog post for us, and output it into HTML. All we're doing here is getting rid of some syntactic sugar from the HTML, and then we're putting it straight back into Airtable, into blog post HTML. So now we have the article, what's our HTML online viewer, and this is what our article looks like so far. Okay, 7 high paying freelance jobs with permanent work from home, software developer, and we need to generate these images. So it looks pretty good right now. Also finishes with a question, and now the sections have been generated. Now we want to generate image. So once we've changed the status to generate image, we run it, and what we're doing here is based on the title, keywords, and the HTML, we're generating an image prompt that's relevant for the article. Again, same thing, just removing some HTML, and then we're removing some quotes so that it's easy for us to pass into Flux, which is what we're using to generate the images. All we're doing here is this module is filled with our image parameters. Download the image, and then when we go back to Airtable, it will update the status for us and have the image into main thumbnails. So this is the image that came out for our article. Pretty cool, looks like a LinkedIn style sort of post. And now the next few modules is completely up to you. Same thing happening here. Image has been generated, so then we go down to post article, and this is just taking the thumbnail as the title or the main thumbnail of the article, and then we're putting all that HTML into the article. Here we're just formatting the keywords. For example, instead of having all of the keywords in one big list, we're going to separate the keywords with commas. That's all that's doing here. And then honestly, you can upload it to anything that you post your articles on. Here's Medium, Shopify, Joomla, Fort Knox is what the person I was making the automation for uses. Click on post articles. It will upload these straight to Medium with the hashtags, the article, and the image. And then same thing, it updates the status column to article posted. And then once it's finished with article posted, Then we create social media posts. So the guy I made this for, he wanted it so that every time that there was a product put up on his Shopify store, he wants it to create a social media post and then post this onto all the social media pages and create articles on the product, link it back to his store. And all we're doing here, because I will put the JSON file in the school community so you can use this, and I'll show you basically with the last generate social media post. All we're doing here is we're passing the HTML that we created for the articles into text, because you can't post HTML on social media pages. And then we're just setting a random variable, setting a random number between 200 and 400 so that we have a bit of inconsistencies with our social media posts. And then each time we've created a social media post for, let's say, Instagram, it will run another random variable, random number, so that all of these are different lengths, and it's posting it to Facebook, LinkedIn, and then Twitter. And all you have to do is just actually just connect the photo post. All you have to do is just connect the module that you want to upload to social media. Here you want to paste in the text along with the image, which we downloaded on 21, get a file. And that's the automation. Have a good one. Thank you.